Jamaica's senior Reggae Girlz can qualify directly for the inaugural CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup in 2024 should they defeat Canada in the Olympic qualifiers in the September FIFA window, following the draw by CONCACAF on Wednesday night. The region's top-ranked team, the United States, and the winners of the Olympic qualifiers have an automatic bye to the knockout stages of the tournament. Now, should the Jamaicans fail to beat the Canadians, they will end up in Group B of League A alongside Panama and Guatemala. The Lorne Donaldson-coached side will be one of 9 teams in League A, where the 3 group winners and runners-up plus the 2 best third-place finishers will advance to the knockout stage. The knockout stage, which runs from March 2 to 10, will be played in a single direct match elimination format and will be comprised of quarterfinals as before the semifinals and finals.